20 meters left of gate number 9 of Chepauk Stadium, this is what you see. Dhoni Sports. It is a tribute to the Thala of Chennai, MS Dhoni. Today, match day, that in which MS Dhoni doesn't feature, but the craze is real. Let me take you inside and speak to some of these guys here. Tell us about this shop. It is called Dhoni Sports. Are you missing MS Dhoni in this match?
Yeah, it's more miss the Dhoni fans. The match is down. Dhoni come, match straight.
And since when is it called Dhoni Sports?
Fans, Dhoni fans.
So Dhoni fans have this shop.
Yeah.
Okay. But today you're not selling Dhoni jersey. So I can
Only
see a lot of-
Dhoni yes.
So lots of Dhoni jerseys are also being sold today?
So no, not only India t-shirt sold. Match no. The says only the India t-shirts.
So when MS Dhoni comes to Chepauk, does he come to this shop?
No shop no. Only see the bus on the side. See the first shop.
Has he signed jerseys for you? Has he? So this is a shop that has been put together by the Dhoni fans.
Yeah.
Can you tell us for how long have you been here?
For 14-15 years.
14, 15 years. And you've seen all of Chennai's titles? You've seen all of Chennai's IPL titles?
Yeah. The stadium not this side. 5 minutes only. For difference.
Yeah.
All 4 peoples.
And are you excited that Dhoni is going to play this time as well?
Dhoni come the match. The t-shirts CSK only sell. 1,000 t-shirts sell. The cap also.
Okay, those are
Dhoni cap
the...
is sold. Yeah. Sale.
It's a Dhoni number 7
Yeah.
cap.
The same.
So it's all ready with IPL round the corner.
Yeah. The shop only the fans. Dhoni shops.
This is a shop for the fans and by
Only
the
fans.
Only fans.
Yeah,
For
Dhoni.
the fans and by the fans.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Can you tell us other than MS Dhoni, whose shirt is selling the most?
So same only CSK.
No. Apart from MS Dhoni and
Another CSK, the RCB,
RCB.
India.
No, India. Which player?
Same plane. Also plain. Somebody tell the Dhoni name. I want.
Okay.
Like this.
Some
Yeah. Same thing. CSK like this. India like this. Tell Dhoni name.
Okay, some fans also want the name of MS
Name
Dhoni.
Dhoni. Yeah.
So you can see MS Dhoni doesn't feature in this match, but the kind of craze that is there in Chennai is quite unbelievable. I am standing in this shop which is called Dhoni Sports, which is by the fans, for the fans. Fans are today here buying India shirts. Can I speak to you? Tell us a little bit about your experience of coming into this shop. Did you come here specifically because it is called Dhoni Sports?
Yeah. We are the fans of Dhoni. We love Dhoni, like how he plays, and I love especially his keeping style and everything. For this we are came for.
Tell us about this shirt. Do you love wearing this shirt more or a Dhoni shirt?
This shirt. I love India team more and better. I love Dhoni because he's how keeping style.
Okay. Because of his keeping style. Tell us what was your experience of being in this shop all these years and catering to the fans?
Yeah, actually we came because of Dhoni's name here, and we are from Nellore, and
You're from Nellore. Okay.
and we have came to watch the match of Hardik Pandya and Surya Kumar Yadav and Abhishek Sharma.
Right. Yeah. So I have to show our fans, our viewers as well, that despite it not being the IPL season, look at how many CSK t-shirts have been stacked up, and there on the wall the most prominent shirt you see is number 7, that is MS Dhoni's jersey, and of course with IPL round the corner, that will be the big focus here. Many more fans will come in, but for now, look at this. This is the Dhoni shirt, like the India shirt that these fans have made. It is for the fans and by the fans, and look at these merchandise. This is a Dhoni keychain as well. Well, it is an absolute tribute to the legend who perhaps is going to be playing his final season with Chennai Super Kings. Well, this ball as well, it's a tribute This is a tennis ball. This is not a cricket ball, but everything here is really a tribute to the legend and MS Dhoni. So watch out for him as the IPL season descends. At the Chepak Stadium in Chennai, Rika Roy for NDTV.